Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Today, we are with you for a tutorial on the EagleFX Broker. Well, we go to the review section through the Tradingfinder site and select the EagleFX Broker from the forex section. From this part, we click on the Go to Website option to enter the official EagleFX website. From the top section, we can select the Sign Up option, and then we are faced with a page to enter our information. After entering details such as name, surname, an email that has not been previously registered on this website, date of birth, gender, password, and password confirmation, we agree to the site's terms and click the Sign Up option. Our registration was successfully completed, and an email was sent to our email for account verification. Well, as you can see, we have received the account verification email, and by clicking on this option, we can verify our account. Well, as you saw, our account has been successfully verified. And from now on, we can use our account. Well, as you saw, our account has been successfully verified. And for sections like deposit, withdrawal, and account confirmation, we will guide you step by step in the next stages. Wishing you success and profitability.